Hi there, folks. This is Levi Kuhn at Kuhn Truck and RV, your Class B and B Plus RV specialists. Please check out our website, www.truckandrv.com. That's truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. We do not put any pricing on YouTube, so if you have any price inquiries, you can give us a call or jump over to our website where all of our prices are listed. We are a full-service dealer. We do offer warranty as well as financing. If you have any questions on those, please call my brother Luke in our office at 419-899-2020. For sale today, we have a 2004 Pleasureway Excel TS. All right, folks, it's time for the inside video tour of today's RV. I'm currently sitting in the driver's seat, looking across at an angle towards the passenger side. On the passenger side, we've got the kitchen area. Down bottom, we've got your three-way refrigerator that runs on gas, 110 or 12 volt power. Got the rear entry door, passenger side seat. This one has all cloth interior. Vinyl floor in the entry, kitchen, and bath area. And then it has carpet in the rear bedroom area and in the driver's cockpit area. What I'm going to try to do here is give you a few different angles of everything inside of this RV to give you a feel of what it is like to be inside here. Up top there, we've got the microwave / convection oven, which sits directly behind and above the driver's seat. Behind door number 1 here is the wet bath. I'll show you that here in just a second. Got the fantastic fan up top. To come into the wet bath, they call these a wet bath because they combine the toilet, the shower, the bathroom sink. Because of the smaller footprint of these small RVs, they have to save space, so they combine the bathroom area all into one small closet, and then they call it a wet bath. Switching sides here, back to the passenger side, the kitchen area, kitchen sink, 2-burner cooktop. These Pleasureways use a nice wood cabinetry with a maple look, maple finish all throughout. Rear bedroom area. This is a power sofa. Give you a sneak peek at that here. Just hold the button, and it runs down into a bed. You can also make the bed larger. You would use the table to span this distance here. And then the side cushions you can slide down, and then you make a very large, I believe they call it a king-size bed here in the rear. Run that back up quick here. Got our fuse panel down bottom, LP detector. This one has a rooftop air conditioning unit and a propane furnace. It's been upgraded to a flat screen TV. The DVD player directly above that. I'm currently sitting on the rear sofa. The rooftop AC unit would be directly over my head. This brown thing here, that is the furnace, the propane furnace, with the thermostat for the furnace right there. The controls and thermostat for the AC unit are directly on the AC itself. Got a kind of like a pantry here, right beside the kitchen. Some nice shelves in there to store some food. wardrobe, which is directly behind the driver's seat. Also keeps storage for the tables and the poles for the table. Got the hanger up there top of your clothes. What kind of a dog tells time? Today's joke, what kind of a dog tells time? Answer is a watchdog. Hot water heater switch. Remote start for the Onan generator. 69 hours on that. Control center. Hold each button and it'll give you the level that's in each tank and also in the battery. And the switch for the water pump. This is an extremely clean unit. Inside and outside. Outside cleaned up very, very nicely. Shines very nice. My opinion, on a scale of 1 to 10, both the inside and the outside, considering the age factor of this unit, all things into consideration, in my opinion, this is a 9 out of 10. Extremely clean everywhere. Very well taken care of. No rips, tears, stains. No broken pieces, nothing. It's been very well cared for. Like I said, in my opinion, a 9 out of a 10. If you have any questions on this one, please give us a call. Kuhn Truck and RV, 419-899-2020. Thank you for watching this video. I put these together not only for our potential customers, but as well as everybody else out there on YouTube, so you can get a feel of what it's like to be inside of this RV. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a good day.